How to report someone on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can report someone on TikTok. In order to do that, first of all, update the application and then log in into your TikTok account. Once you're logged into your account, this is how it's gonna look like. So once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page. So there are different methods of reporting someone on TikTok. So what you can do is, if you're unable to find their profile picture, then what you can do is you can use the search tool feature right on top. Type in the name of that particular person and then you can just go ahead, and then otherwise if you see it on your For You page, then what you can do is just tap on the share icon located right at the bottom and click on the report button, which is located in the left hand side bar. After that, it's gonna ask you to select a reason why you are actually reporting this content. So select the reason. After that, you need to go ahead and once again select a specific one, and you'll be able to see this kind of statement. Make sure to go through it all. Click on the submit button. As soon as you've done that, you'll also be asked whether you want to hide this content or not. If you want to hide this content, then toggle the switch, click on the hide button, click on the done button, and that is how you report someone on TikTok. And you'll also be notified through an email or maybe your TikTok message after some time that your report has been successfully submitted. All you have to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. In this way, you can report someone on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.